Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on DroneDeploy and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and what should the end to know whether or not this drone mapping platform is worth it or not. DroneDeploy excels in its user friendliness and automated capabilities, allowing users to easily plan and execute drone flights, capture imagery and process it into high quality 2D maps and 3D models without needing powerful local workstations. Its strengths include a robust cloud-based processing engine, comprehensive data outputs, and valuable tools for measurement, automation, and real-time collaboration among teams. The platform is highly versatile, integrating with a wide range of drones and offering specialized solutions like Drone Deploy Ground for 360 camera capture and AI-powered analytics for safety monitoring and automated reporting, providing a unified view of site documentation. However, DroneDeploy's advanced features and comprehensive ecosystem come at a significant cost, with pricing plans that can be very expensive, especially for individual users or small businesses not engaged in high volume operations. While generally intuitive, some users report occasional glitches or difficulties with the mobile app's pre-flight checklist and flight initiation, as well as slow upload and processing times for very large datasets. Customer support has received mixed reviews, with some praising responsiveness, while others highlight limited phone access or reliance on online resources. Furthermore, some users express a desire for more customization options or face challenges when sharing processed data with non subscribers. Drone Deploy is an ideal solution for businesses in industries such as construction, agriculture, oil and gas, mining, utilities, and real estate that require efficient and accurate reality capture and analysis. It is best suited for organizations with individual pilots to larger enterprises looking to automate site inspection, track progress, manage assets, and enhance safety through aerial and ground data. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.